Okay, so today's assignment is making sure that you have a copy of your finished outline in Google Drive and also making sure that you submit your finished outline in Google Drive. And this video is to make you really follow through with step 2, which is making a first draft on a Google Doc. And you need to have this first draft ready because we're starting the peer editing tomorrow. So it's really easy, really quick, because it's a full sentence outline. It just involves a bit of copy and pasting, but this video will show you exactly what to do. So your first drafts will look exactly like the one this video looks like. There is no excuse for it. You will look at the video, you will rewatch parts of the video if you are confused on how to make a first draft out of your full sentence outline. So let's just go through the steps one by one. So 1, make a copy of your finished outline in Google Drive. I'm going to use Haley's here as an example. Now you can have access to your doc if you click out here, or if you look for it on Google Docs, you should be able to find the exact doc that you've been working on Google Classroom. So, a quick and easy way to make a copy of your outline before you turn it in. Again, a quick and easy way to make a copy of your outline before you turn it in. Do not turn in your outline before you make a copy of it. Do not turn in your outline before you make a copy of it. Do not turn in your outline before you make a copy of it. And a quick and easy way to make a copy of your outline before you turn it in is to go to the file and press Make a Copy. You can choose the folder that you put it in on Google Docs, but either way, if you look at the top, it'll be named copy of blank, 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 blank. So you press OK, and automatically it makes a copy of your outline. Excellent. So there we go, 2 clicks, you already have the first part of this assignment done. You've made a copy of your finished outline in Google Drive. Now, this video example is showing you how to make a first draft for peer editing in Google Docs, and again, they'll just involve a bunch of copy and pasting. So, you'll go to Google Drive, you'll create a new doc, and you need to name your doc the following. Name it with your last name, your first name, and you'll name it Literary Analysis First Draft. For font, Times New Roman. You click on font right here, go to Times New Roman. Size 12. You go to size right here, size 12. If you hover over it, it even says font size. If you hover over it, it even says font. For spacing, it needs to be double. This is the proper way. So, one thing that you will need is a header. And again, with this header, you'll need your name, first and last. You'll need the class. You'll need the teacher's name. And you'll need the date. After that, go to center, make a title. Make it a creative title related to your theme statement. Then make sure before you copy and paste in your paper, you go left align. You'll want to then go to your outline copy and you start copy and pasting it so you have a good first draft. So again, do you copy everything? Is introduction, use third-person formal voice, watch this video from 4:30 to 9 minutes for reminders, and a hook, is that part of your paper? No, the answer is no. You type in and copy and paste what you actually typed. And this will be a step-by-step process. And pasting without formatting will be the smartest thing. And you'll want to keep going, just each section. Do not skip any sections. It's a real easy thing to do. Just don't skip any sections of what you wrote. That way, you'll actually get your whole paper. You know, it's pretty straightforward. So like right here, I've got my intro paragraph, copy and pasted. Once I have the intro paragraph copy and pasted, I'll press return, and then look, new paragraph is starting. So then I'll go and do the same thing. Got my topic sentence for the first paragraph, paste that formatting. I've got my context for my first example, paste with that formatting. I've got my quote with MLA citation. Paste without formatting. That's a little weird, but I'll fix it. See, notice how I fix it when the spacing is a little off. I don't just leave it. I'm not lazy about it. I actually fix the formatting so it looks like a normal paper. That's pretty important. Copy the analysis, paste without formatting. And get the concluding sentence. Paste without formatting. So you'll want to keep doing this with all of your outline, okay? You want to keep doing this with all of your outline. Make sure that you get each part of your outline onto your first draft doc. Each and every part of your outline onto your first draft doc. That way you'll have every paragraph into your first draft. That way your peer editing partner can actually read your whole paper, give you feedback, get a sense of your essay. So please make sure that you do that, as you need to have this first draft doc complete with all of your outline, copy and pasted onto it in proper formatting. And once again, that's Times New Roman size 12, double spaced. And if you've copy and pasted everything and you're not sure that it's all in the same format, you can always press Edit, select all, and then go Times New Roman, size 12, double spaced. That will make sure that you have all the right formatting for your first draft. This is really easy, guys. You can do this. It's not hard. Please rewatch the video if you have questions, because again, it tells you exactly what to do. You can do this. It's not, it'll be frustrating for your peer editor tomorrow if you don't have a whole paper and all of your writing onto your draft. It'll be frustrating for me. It'll be very frustrating if you don't just do this copy and pasting properly for your first draft for tomorrow's peer editing and the next day's peer editing. So please rewatch this video if you need to double check. Make sure that you have all of the requirements done. And again, it's really quite easy. So once you do that, once you have a first draft Google Doc that you'll be using for peer editing tomorrow, you can press Turn In on your finished outline on Google Classroom. So go here, press Turn In, and then you'll have that finished outline in because you have made a copy of it for the first step, and you'll be good to go. All right, if you have questions, please shoot me an email. And again, rewatch parts of this video if you are confused. Rewatch parts of the video if you are confused. Please make a properly formatted first draft Google Doc. It's literally just copy and pasting what you've written for your outline so far. You can do this. We're getting very close. Your hard work is about to pay off. All right, have a good one.